Look at this here, kin folks. Center blocks on our trailer. It was a log transporter. Now it's a center block transporter. These center blocks and pads are probably 40 years old. And let me tell you, they are heavy. Except for that one new one on the back right there. Recycle, repurpose. I power washed them all as best as I could. That's what they look like. And that's what that looks like. That's too many gable logs I gotta get. Well, anyways, all that being said, need to get this over to the homestead. Just figure I'd let y'all see this. Oh, what fun. They probably about 60 pounds a piece. Them real concrete blocks are. We're gonna find out. Looks like a cabin foundation to me. Look at this here again, folks. Got one of these things. And it took all this stuff to build it. Oh, anyways, log dolly. Just a 4x4 and a couple 2x6s. Couple old lawnmower wheels. And a 7.5-inch bolt through there and 2 washers. And you should be able to sit your log on there and grab one end and roll it. And then we got one of these things. It was an engine hoist, Harbor Freight one. And I got some of these 4-inch casters on there instead of these little things. That way I can roll it. It'll lift probably 8 foot up. That'll be high enough. I'll figure something else out on the other stuff. We'll get them up there one way or another. All that being said, I need to put all my tools and stuff up. Just figure I'd show y'all. People update time on the yard birds. They doing pretty good. Used his foot, seemed like it healed up pretty good. I don't know what he broke it on, but looks pretty good. He seems to be doing cockadoodle stuff now. Update on the baby chicks. Watch out, girls. Now you got the pimp walk. What is it, mama? Seem to be doing good, little ugly chickens. All that being said, need to get back over there, dig on this trench some more. I'll see y'all at the homestead, kin folks. Or at the new homestead. This one about worn out and overpopulated, if you know what I'm talking about.